get, it was on eBay. I've been beating shots, laminating bourbon tough. I just done me a $500,000, okay, that was on eBay. Try get me on that wire like my name was Weebay. I've been beating shots, laminating bourbon tough.
What's going on, people? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sam. I'm a full-time six-figure eBay and Shopify seller. In today's video, what I'm going to be doing is bringing you guys what you've been asking for. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you want to see a day in the life. A majority of you said you want to see it, so that's what I'm doing in today's video. Bear in mind, guys, in the UK, we're in a lockdown, so don't expect anything exciting. I'm just going to be in the apartment, showing you what I get up to on a daily basis, showing you what type of work I get up to. I'm going to be explaining various things along the way in terms of different things I do to run my online businesses. So you guys are definitely going to get value out of this video. So make sure you stick around for the whole video. I'm going to try and make it as entertaining as possible. What I do when I start my day is that I start off with a green smoothie. If you watched my last video, you would have saw that I start my day off with a coffee, a black coffee, but I don't do that no more because it's not healthy. In this lockdown, I'm trying to be as healthy as possible. So what I'm going to do is make the green smoothie now, and then I'm going to go over there to the living room and show you what I do to start my day. So let's do it. All right, guys, so I got a frozen mix right here. In the mix, we got spinach, kale, mango, and apple. So what I do is I just mix it up with water and then I just drink it. But there's a secret ingredient that I want to share with you guys. I'm going to give you guys a key right now, a key to life. What you guys need in your life is spirulina powder. This is filled with so much nutrients, vitamins, everything you need to start your day off right. So I put a teaspoon of this, mix it with water, start my day. So let's do it.
I just wanna do it. Money talk, I speak it fluent. Back then I was losing, broke as a joke, stressing. Now life is a blessing. Every day, man, I get it. I was tired of them debits. I just had to see some credits. Now my phone won't stop ringing. Every day keeps on pinging. Young nigga winning. I was tired of the sinning. Started a business, now I'm legit. Too legit, too quick. I ain't never gonna stop. Money piling up. Back then I was broke. Man, I never had no luck. Got on my knees, prayed for luck. Now all I do is get it. If I said it, then I meant it. Yeah. Active. Come on. I just wanna invest. Then watch my cash flip. Now the money doing backflips. That somersaults and all them damn.
Listen, this right here, best way to start your day. So the first thing that I do in the morning every single day when I wake up, and I've been doing it for the past 4 years, is I write down 5 to 10 things that I'm grateful for. So this book is a 2021 day planner, but I just use it as a gratitude book. So in the book, it's got every single day mapped out for the whole of 2021. And what I do is I just wake up first thing in the morning, write down 5 to 10 things that I'm grateful for. And I also write down 5 to 10 things that I want to manifest in my life. So this is very, very important, and it's been a driving factor to my success so far. I would highly recommend everyone to start doing this ASAP. It's always good to remind yourself every morning for the things you're grateful for. So I just write down things like I'm grateful for my mum, my family, health, all of that. I just write it down every single morning, get it into my mind, start the day off right. Everyone out there, I'll recommend you to do this. It's really helped me out over the years. I've probably got like 5 books over the years that I've been doing this in, so it's very, very helpful. So the next thing that I do is I read a book every single day. Not a whole book, but I read a chapter of a book. So the book that I'm reading now is this book, The Secret. So I've read this probably like 3-4 times. This is another thing that I'd recommend all of you guys to do, is try and read this book. This book definitely changed my life, and this book helped me leave my 9 to 5. So anyone out there that wants to change their life and wants better from their life, I would highly recommend you read this book because it's definitely helped me. So I'm going to get on with it. I'm going to read my book. I'm going to fill out my gratitude. I'm going to drink my green smoothie. And then I'm going to let you guys know what else I've got planned for the rest of the day. So let's go.
I'm thanking God for all of these blessings. I just want to get it, invest it, stack it, then spend it. Amen. Money, it's coming in quick. And I pray it don't stop. I just want to reach the top. I'm trying to make this guap. The law of attraction, I swear down, it's working. Got these haters' hearts burning. Every day I be earning, I be scurrying in my German, trying to get to the top. I pray, I don't stop. I know I can't stop, but focus.
All right, so in terms of actually starting my work day, right now it's 10:30. So for anyone out there that doesn't know exactly what I do, I sell physical products on eBay, Shopify, and Amazon. I've got an office space, so I don't necessarily do drop shipping, and I've got employees that ship out the goods for me on a daily basis to our customers. What I mainly do is work from home. I mainly do the accounting side of things, bookkeeping side of things. Sometimes I answer customer emails. We do have a customer service agent that helps us answer customer emails, but some of the questions that they get, they're not able to answer, so they pass it on to me. So that's what I mainly do. By the way, for anyone out there that runs an e-commerce business and you're getting between 20 to 30 customer emails a day, I would highly recommend Zendesk because it sorts all the emails, makes it easy to respond. I don't necessarily respond directly on eBay anymore. What I use now is Zendesk. So for anyone out there that gets a lot of customer emails for your e-commerce business, I would highly recommend for you to get Zendesk. But what I'm going to do now is just go through Zendesk, go through all of the queries that I got. So once I get through these 20 emails, I'm going to explain to you guys what I do next.
Law of attraction, that's focus action. Trying to be wealthy, so I gotta get this pattern. I'm really out here daily, okay, trying to get this cracking. No lacking.
I've got a Zoom call scheduled with one of my marketing agents. So she's just going to call me and we're going to discuss some of the marketing plans that we've got for one of the Shopify stores that I'm running. So she should be calling me any minute. Let me just set up this Zoom call.
Hey Sam, how are you?
Not bad. How have you been?
I'm good. How's everything?
You know, just here during lockdown, trying to stay sane, but you know, we have to do what we got to do.
Same here. So, I've created a few emails on MailChimp that I want you to look at. I don't know if you still have the passwords for them.
Let me just log in now actually and have a quick look. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So what time do you reckon we can get this one sent out by?
So I've set that one up to be sent out around 5.
All right, so I'm going to quickly just double check everything and then I'm going to get it approved for you to send it out around 5, okay? So expect my call and I'm going to let you know.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, then I'll speak to you soon. Have a nice day. So that was my marketing agent. She just helps me with a few bits and pieces when it comes to email marketing, trying to create campaigns to send out to our email list and everything like that. So I'm just going to go through this email now, double check and make sure everything's okay. And then once I've done all the email marketing stuff, the next thing I'm going to do is sort out some of the accounting side of things. So I'm just going to finalize all of that, make sure everything is okay. So this is the main thing that I do in the morning. I mainly do email marketing stuff and accounting stuff and answering customer emails. But due to the fact that it's locked down, the receptionist in our office space is not able to sign for the parcels. So what I'm going to do in a minute is drive over to UPS and collect one of the shipments for Chinese New Year. I'm going to jump into the car, I'm going to drive to the depot, collect the shipment, and then come back home and then maybe finish off some work. But I'm going to let you guys know how I get on.
Focus, action, God. That's all I really need. Every day I'm thanking God. Like, thank you for this P. Don't be silly, don't be dumb. I done it on my own. Car back then, I was broke. I had no dough. Yeah, now the money it's coming. To the money I be running.
All right, so I just got to UPS just now. So I'm going to make my way in there and then collect my parcels and then drop them off at the office. But once I'm done, I'll see you guys there. So just gone in there, I'm just going to pull my car in, fill it up with all the shipments and then make my way to the office, drop them off. And then from there, I'm going to let you guys know how I get on. All right, so I've just collected the last shipment. So I'm either going to go home or I'm going to go to the shop, quickly do some quick shopping. Either way, you guys are going to see it. So make sure you stay tuned. Okay guys, so I just dropped everything off at the office. So what I'm going to do now is make my way home. I got some last bits and pieces to finish off, some last few bits of work to do. So I'm going to make my way home. But what I'm going to do before I start going is that I need to check the stock market because it's 4 o'clock now. So I think the market's been open for around 1 hour, 30 minutes. So let me just quickly have a look at my positions and see if everything's okay. By the way, if you want to see the previous portfolio update that I did, you can click the link above where I go through all of the positions that I have. But right now, as you can see, today's profit, we're on 1,250. So these are all my positions. Click the link above if you want to see a full video, full breakdown of exactly how I buy stocks, all of that. But yeah, around this time is where I basically go through all my positions. What I also like to do is go through the stocks on my watch list. So as you can see, there's various stocks that are down. So what I might do is that I might buy some more stocks. So I see that Tesla's a little bit down right now. What I'm going to do is put another £60 into Tesla. And then I'm just going to go through and then have a look at other stocks that I might want to invest in. So this is what I do normally around 4 p.m. So what I'm going to do now is just go home, finish off some last bits and pieces, and then I'll see you when I get there. You know what guys, I'm not even going to go home yet. I just realized I haven't washed my car in over a month. So what I'm going to do is make my way down to a car wash. But I don't know if you know this, but in the UK, because we're in lockdown, car washes are closed. So what I'm going to do is make my way down to a car wash that's open like 20 minutes from my house. Someone hooked me up with it. I'm going to make my way down there now. And then hopefully I can get my car cleaned today. So let's see how it goes.
Beating shots, laminate bourbon tough. I get that stock in, then get that stock all gone. Teacher said I wasn't gonna be, so I grew up, dreamed and chased it. All this money I stacked, it got me feeling like I made it. I got a couple 10 things now, man, I don't no lame. Everyday same routine, trying to figure out ways to increase these wages. I pay my employees, yo, man, I be giving those pay slips. All I wanna do is just win, I ain't trying to tie like I'm doing shoelaces. I just wanna do it like I never done it before. Back then I was poor, I had to break the. I never had no keys, I had to kick down doors. I was never an artist, but I swear I was always on tour. Everyday grind and stack, trying to get me this milli. I have faith, I'll get big. Can't stop, won't stop, did it? I just done me a $500,000, okay, that was on eBay. Feds try get me on that wire like my name was Weebay. I've been beating shots, like my name bourbon tough. I get that stock in, then get that stock all gone. I just done me a
Alright guys, so I just got home. Today so far has been a productive day. I'm really happy with it. Checked my portfolio, collected my shipment from UPS, done some work on the computer. So far so good. Either way, I'm going to catch up with you guys in a bit. See you soon. Alright guys, so I've just ordered some food and I'm waiting for it to arrive. But what I'm working on now is editing some of the course material for my students. If you don't know, I've got a step-by-step guide where I teach people how to make money on eBay. You can check it out at www.projectebay.com. I'm currently working on updating some of the video lectures for the students. So hopefully I can get it completed today, get it uploaded so the students can check it out. But either way, I'm going to let you know as soon as my food arrives and what I've got planned with the rest of my day. I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so it's the end of the day. I'm going to watch some Shark Tank. I like to end my day watching something educational. If you want to see more videos on how I became a successful eBay seller, I'm going to link a video above. You should check that video out because it will definitely help you. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it wasn't entertaining, you know, we're in lockdown here in the UK as I previously said, but I tried to make it as entertaining as possible. This is how I've been spending my days, you know, just working, doing what I got to do, preparing for Chinese New Year. But I hope you enjoyed the video guys. If you did, don't forget to press the like button as it really helps out the channel in a big way. Whilst you're down there, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss all the weekly videos that I'm going to release to help you make money on either eBay or Shopify. Don't forget to add me on Instagram as well because in 2021 I want to start doing a lot more giveaways. So make sure you add me on Instagram. I'm going to put it on the screen. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of the video. I'd love to hear from you. If you want to see more day in the lives just like this, comment it down below. I'll be more than happy to make it. So I'm going to eat this Nando's. I'm going to watch this Shark Tank. Make sure you stay safe out there. I'll see you next week. Peace.